So tell me a little bit more about yourself.
I'd rather not. I kind of need this job.
Why did you leave your last job?
The company relocated and didn't tell me where.
Interesting. Do you consider yourself independent?
I'd say yes, definitely.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In your chair, but asking better questions.
What are your salary expectations?
What are your salary ranges?
Tell me your expectations so we can see if you can fit well here.
Tell me your ranges so I can see if I want to proceed.
What do you think you should earn?
What do you offer?
Oh my gosh, just leave! You're wasting my time. They're hiring for waiters at the restaurant across the street. I know the owner, you'd be perfect.
Yeah, I guess you could say I bring a lot to the table. Thanks, appreciate it.
I used to like that restaurant.